My name is Jeremy Burke, and I'm a lifelong motorcycle enthusiast. But it's not like I had a choice. I was born into this motorcycle thing. Motorcycles have always been there. Almost all of my memories have something with two wheels in the background. I ultimately chose the motorcycle industry as my career, and for almost 30 years, I have been honing my skills in the trenches of retail. Then last year, I found myself unexpectedly unemployed. It was a real wake-up call. I was pretty devastated. The comfortable little place I carved out for myself as a high-level Harley-Davidson dealership employee was suddenly non-existent. But I didn't waste a single day. Nothing great happens in your comfort zone anyways. After a short conversation with my amazingly supportive wife, we decided that it was time for me to forge my own path. It was time to follow my dream. That idealistically utopian, two-wheeled wonderland that has been manifesting itself in my mind since I was a kid was about to become real. And traditional American cycle supply was born. Now, like any unplanned offspring situation, I was caught completely off guard, and I was not prepared financially to start a business. But I had a plan and a dream. I have always wanted to own a shop of my own, but I just couldn't make it make sense. I now found myself without a choice but to figure it out or fail. I decided to create a community where friendships are fueled by shared miles, conjured from the very ether of American freedom. A classic American bike night is just made sense to me. I could provide a haven for the throttle jockeys, a weekly gathering of like-minded souls, a pit stop on life's highway, so to speak. And that's where I'm at. I'm out here meeting people, introducing them to me and my brand, and providing camaraderie, support, and some good vibes. As the Trans-Am journey unfolds, you'll find that it's not just a shop, it's a revolutionary oasis in the heartland, a testament to the thrill seeker.